Welcome, guys. In this chapter, we are going to understand the concept of CSS media queries. A media queries is basically a CSS technique that is introduced in CSS 3 version. It allows us to apply the CSS style depending on the device general type, whether it is print or screen, or some other characteristic such as screen resolution or browser viewport width. The media queries can be used to check many things, such as the width and height of the viewport, the width and height of the device, orientation, like whether it is a tablet phone in landscape or in portrait mode, then resolution. The syntax is very simple. We have to apply at the rate media and then not or only and media type and media feature and or not and another media feature and then some CSS code. Here the media type can be screen or print. The media features can be any breakpoint like a max width, min width, etc. Some of the keywords like not, it basically invert the whole meaning of the entire media query. Only, basically, it has no effect in the modern browser, but it will prevent the older browsers from applying the specified CSS style that does not support media queries. And it combined the media feature with another media type and media feature, or it basically select either of the media feature based on whether it true or not. Some of the common example, let's see. At the rate of media and then within the bracket, if you write max width colon 600 pixel, it means this is targeting to small devices which has width less than or equal to 600 pixel. So whatever CSS we write here, it will basically only apply to that device which has 600 or less than equal width. The next is at the rate of media and then min width 600 pixel. It the CSS written here will be applied to any device which has greater than the 600 pixel width. We can also combine two style or more style as at the rate media and then one breakpoint, that is min width 600 pixel and max width 1200 pixel. It means add the style for the screen between 600 and 1200 pixel. Then finally, we have orientation based media queries where you can see here at the rate media screen, and then if we specify orientation as landscape, then those screen which has the landscape orientation will be only applied to this style. At the rate media print and then orientation portrait. So the style written here will be applied to only print media with the orientation portrait. We can also combine these three as at the rate media screen and then min width and then orientation. So here the style written in this block will be applied to screen media with the width greater than 600 pixel and orientation as landscape. So this style will not apply to all the screen with the orientation portrait. Let's quickly go through the demo. Here you can see we have just one div with class box and its preview has nothing right now. So let's add the CSS to box. So background color as blue and then let's give the height as 100 pixel. If I save it and there you go, right? So here is the box. Now if you see here, okay, uh, on the bigger screen it still has the blue background and for the mobile screen also it has blue color. Now let's add the media queries and update the background color based on different width sizes. Okay, so here at the rate media, okay, and then screen and max width. Okay, max width 600 pixel and box, and then background color, let's give the red for 600 pixel max width. Okay, right now it is greater than 600 pixel, so that's why it's still blue. If I decrease the size of the browser to 600 or less, then it will be red color, and here you go. Okay, now similarly, let's have different media query, and this time let's update this to 500 pixel, and let's give it the color as yellow. And now if I decrease the size, so this is 600 pixel. Now if I decrease further and goes below 500, then it will be yellow, and there you go. Okay, so that's like yellow color below 500 pixel. Finally, we can combine these two media query. Okay, and here if the min width is 900 pixel, okay, and then max width is 1200 pixel, then give the background color as purple. Now what this media query is saying, for screen size greater than 900 pixel and less than 1200 pixel, use purple. For rest of the screen sizes, use blue. Okay, so now that's why right now we have blue, and if I go above 900, then it will be purple, you can see. And now if I go above 1200, it will be again blue. Okay, so that's like a blue. Now if I want to change for media queries above 1200, okay, then we have to write min width 1200 and suppose orange. Okay. Now if I change above 900 pixel, then it is purple, and if I go beyond 1200, then it is orange. You can see this, right? And if I go below 600, it is red, and below 500 it is yellow. There is very interesting feature we have in our developer tool, and more tools, and then developer tools, or you can directly access through inspect. And here bottom side, if you see this one, okay, this will basically, it's a toggle device toolbar. Okay, when you click it, there you go, you get lot of dimension based on your choice. That's like mobile. Okay, all the mobile are like less than 500 pixel, that's why the background color is yellow. And if we choose the iPad mini, then it has like the width ranges from above 600, right, and 900, that's why it is uh, blue. And now if I go beyond uh, beyond like okay, let me check Samsung Galaxy, or let me make it more responsive. Okay, you can see here, if I go beyond 900, then it is purple. Okay, so this way you can also use this developer tool feature to check your responsiveness. Okay, so that's all in this chapter. I hope you understood the media queries very well, and now you will be able to build the responsive web pages. Thank you for watching. See you in the next chapter.